Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It is 17 degrees out right now. It's 9 a.m. in the morning, and it is snowing lightly. Come on, dogs, it's cold. Come on, let's go. Okay, the snow's coming down pretty good now. Place is covered. And Otto's using the golf cart to water the pigs, so I'm just going to take this Yukon down there, keep the heater running, and feed so I can get back in a warm vehicle. I think this is a much better way to do it. Not sure he's gonna make it up the hill. We'll see. Oop, he's like, you did it. He's struggling to make it up the hill. Those tires don't have any tread really on them. Come on, dog. Okay. Hey, you guys like the snow? I know you don't. Oh, their little piggy said, "Give me some food." Here they come. Start off with hay, and then we'll get you some grain. Okay, got everyone fed with hay and grain. Otto's still working on the water. Yeah, they're doing good. Nice and warm out here in the barn. I'll have to use this system for right now while it's so cold. Silly dog. Alright, pigs. Grain. Oh yes. What I like to see, eat that alfalfa. Otto went to win his feed and got me another couple bales of alfalfa. I was running low. I wasn't for sure I was going to make it for tomorrow morning, so yeah, only got a couple flakes left, so we're set. I'd buy a lot more, but I have no place to store it since the top of the barn is full of grass hay, which the pigs do not like. They like this alfalfa though. Good stuff. Well, I lost my co-pilot. I don't know where she went, but get back in the Yukon and drive up and get warm again. The window's down because of this stupid thing. Sometimes it'll lock you out once you're running. Oh yeah, it's nice and warm in here. I'm glad I kept the engine running. Feet are froze, my fingers are froze. This heat feels good. Snow's starting to come down pretty good, so my wife called and said the roads in town in Yakima are getting covered, so I'll give her a call. I may go pick her up here pretty soon before they get too bad. Well, this road right here is already getting covered. See in front of us. So anyway, in case I don't get back to you, thank you very much for watching. Have a great afternoon. Here the sun's poking through the clouds. It's getting bright out here. It's still snowing. Not quite as hard. Kind of pleasant. The doodle likes the snow. What is this, Sally? Silly dog.